Are you pondering the idea of getting a reptile as a pet? Maybe you're wondering which species would be the most suitable for you? Well, today we're going to delve into the world of reptiles and explore 7 of the easiest ones to keep as pets. First on our list is the bearded dragon. These reptiles are known for their friendly and calm temperament, making them a popular choice for beginners. Their diet is varied, consisting of insects, fruits, and vegetables. They grow to an average size of 20 inches, which is a manageable size for most homes. As for their habitat, they require a spacious enclosure with a heat source to mimic their native Australian desert environment. Next, we have the leopard gecko. These nocturnal creatures are generally docile and easy to handle. They feed primarily on insects and need a smaller enclosure compared to the bearded dragon. Leopard geckos have a moderate size, usually growing up to 10 inches long. Our third reptile is the crested gecko. Known for their unique eyelashes, crested geckos have a docile temperament. Their diet is straightforward, a mix of fruit puree and insects. They grow up to 8 inches long, and like the leopard gecko, they don't require a large enclosure. However, they do need a vertical space as they enjoy climbing. Moving on to the spur-thighed or Greek tortoise. These tortoises are known for their hardy nature. They enjoy a diet of leafy greens and vegetables. With an average size of 10 inches, they are relatively small and require an enclosure with both indoor and outdoor access to mimic their Mediterranean habitat. Next in line is the Russian tortoise. This species is a bit larger than the Greek tortoise, averaging around 12 inches in length. They have a friendly temperament and enjoy a similar diet to the Greek tortoise. Their habitat should also include both indoor and outdoor spaces. Now let's slither into the world of snakes with the corn snake. These snakes have a docile nature and are easy to handle. They can grow up to 5 feet, so they require a decent-sized enclosure. Their diet consists mainly of rodents. Our final reptile is the Rosy Boa. These snakes are known for their gentle nature and slow-moving speed. They grow up to 4 feet long and eat a diet of small rodents. Their enclosure needs to be secure to prevent any Houdini-like escapes. So there you have it, 7 of the easiest reptiles to keep as pets. Each of these reptiles has its unique characteristics. So it's crucial to consider your living situation, time, and commitment before choosing your scaly friend. Remember, owning a pet, whether it's a dog, cat, or a bearded dragon, is a long-term commitment and should not be taken lightly. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative and entertaining content. Share your thoughts in the comments section below, we'd love to hear from you. Until next time, keep exploring the incredible world of reptiles.